Okay, now students, in accountancy, we are in a new lecture right now, lecture number 17 I should say. We are continuing with the goodwill. In last two lectures we have done the sums of average profit method. We continue that average profit method. The sum is in front of you right now. Calculate the value of goodwill by average profit method by 3 years of purchase it is given. Now check please. The years are given to you: 2015, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Profit is also given: 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 and 40,000. Now students, listen here. In average profit method, we can do the sums by two methods. One is simple average and one is weighted average. Now weighted average is only can be used when profit is continuously going high, increasing normally. When profit is continuously increasing, or even you can say decreasing also, going down, so you can use weighted average method, whereas simple average is used for any kind of sum. So when in the question they says that calculate the value of goodwill by average profit method, you can do the sum by simple average, any sum. But by chance if the profit is given either continuously increasing or continuously going down, decreasing, then you can use the weighted average also. Now if nothing is mentioned in the sum, whether you do by weighted average or simple average, better to go by simple average method. But by chance in the question if it is been mentioned that do the sum by weighted average method, then you have to use the weighted average method. Simple average is not possible there. Now how the sum will be done, let's see here. First we are going to write down the year. As we mentioned here, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 and then 2019. This is the year, these are the years given for us. Profit is there for the business last 5 years. It is given 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000 and then 40,000 directly. You can see the profit is continuously increasing. 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 40. It is not necessary that the gap should be equal, but increasing is important. So if it is increasing, we can go by weighted average also. Now we have to write down here the weight. Now weight is, we have to start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is weight we have to give. Now we have to give the total weightage profit. Total weightage profit. Total weightage profit. How? 10,000 into 1, that is 10,000. 15,000 into 2, that is 30,000. 20,000 into 3, that is 60,000. Then 25 into 4, that is 1 lakh. We have to do multiplication. And then 40,000 into 5, that is 2 lakhs. So now we have to do the total of this. 2 lakh plus 1 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 360, 360 and 390 and 4 lakhs. So 4 lakh is the total. Now first of all we have to find out weighted average profit. Weighted average profit equal to total average profit divided by total weight. Now total average profit we got 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs we got here. So I will write down here 4 lakhs and then divide it by, now total weight means come here, this is the weight we have written. So total, if that we do 4 plus 5 9, 9 and 3 12, 12 and 2 14 and 1 15. So 15 is the total. So I will write down here 15. So 4 lakhs divided by 15. Now we have to do 4 lakhs divided by 15 on one side. So it's like that, 4 lakhs divided by 15. So if we do together, 15 to the 30, 10 will be here. So we'll take 0 from here. 15 6 90. Again 10 here. So I will take again 10. 1 0 will come again. Again 15 6 90. So again 10 will be here. So if you go by this way, it will be look like that 26,666. 26,666. It will be like that, 26,666. This is not the goodwill, this is weighted average profit, WAP. Now goodwill equal to weighted average profit multiply by number of years purchased. So weighted average profit we got 26,666, or you can take 67, multiply by, now total years is given 3 years of purchase, we can see here. So I will take here 3 years. So effectively it is 80,000 rupees nearby. This is your, you can say, what is that? Goodwill. This is the value of goodwill, 80,000 rupees. Now let's repeat the question again. Calculate the value of goodwill by average profit method by 3 years of purchase. Now years are given 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Profit given 10, 15, 20, 25 and 40. Average profit method, two methods are there, simple average and weightage average. If nothing is mentioned, you can go by simple average also. But if weightage average is given, you have to do by weightage average. The normal rules of weightage average is that if profit is continuously increasing or decreasing, better to go by weightage average. But it's just the advisable. Now suppose if you doing the sum by weightage average, you look here, the year is given 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Profit also as given in the question. Now we have given the weight here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The current year should be given the highest weight. And then we have done the multiplication of profit and weight, that is total weighted profit. This we have done multiplication. So we got 4 lakh rupees here. Now weightage average profit equal to total average profit, weightage average profit divided by total weight. So 4 lakhs divided by 15, total weight 15. So we got 26,666 weightage average profit. Now goodwill equal to weightage average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. 26,666 multiplied by 3 years of purchase. So the value of the goodwill will be 80,000 rupees. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you very much.